Okay.
Hey guys, we have a really fun video today. Caleb does not know what's inside the box.
Yes, I do.
What is it?
I'm not telling you. It's a secret.
Tell me in my ear.
I'm secret.
Ooh, you ready? Oh, I'm so excited!
What?
What is this?
It's a giant thing.
It's a giant
Mom, close your eyes. I'll close my eyes and open it. Tell me when it's open.
Tell you when it's open. I'm so excited. What could it be inside here? First of all, I'm keeping all this paper.
No.
Open your eyes. It's Hatchimal stuff. Guys, we have Hatchimal toys and there's lots of them.
Can we take this one?
Hatchimal
Mom,
CollEGg.
I know how to open it. You have to touch the heart to make
You have to touch them, but wait, that's not even it, guys.
What?
We have so much stuff in this box. I dropped something. We have so much stuff in this box.
We even have eggs.
We have eggs
Can we open this?
and more
Mom.
eggs.
Mom, would you like to eat it?
I would like to eat it. And more eggs and more eggs and more eggs. Guys, let me read the note.
Open.
There's a note.
I always open stuff.
Wait a second.
No.
First of all, where's my head? Okay, so we're so excited that we're looking at season 2.
Mom, there's a structure.
You're already opening it? Okay, never seen before Hatchables. Create a nest by peeling down the eggshell until you reach the wavy line and then check off the Hatchimal you collected. Okay, so let's check it out. We're gonna look at all the different products. So here we go. Hatchimals Collectibles 4-pack bonus.
Yeah.
4-pack
Mommy.
plus a bonus.
Mommy, I did it.
Wait, I gotta look at everything. This is much smaller. This is a 2-pack plus nest. 4-pack plus bonus. 2-pack plus nest. Difference of size. Moving on. So I have a couple 4-packs plus bonus. So 2-pack plus nest, 2-packs plus nest. Okay, we got a couple of these. Then we have...
Mommy,
What?
Unicorn.
Oh, you have a lot! Then we have the 1-pack. I'm gonna open up the 1-pack right now. I can't even wait. I can't even wait, people.
That's what I'm opening.
You're opening, I'm opening too, because I can't wait, because that's how I am.
That's what I am.
Oh, I'm gonna open mine first.
No, you're not.
Yes, I
Not
am.
ready.
Yes, I am. So
What's
I think you're
my
supposed to like rub the, what are you supposed to do? Wait, let's look it up, because I'm just not very familiar.
Mom, put a character
Rub
in
the
it.
heart for a color change. So, okay, so first it's purple. And now I'm rubbing the heart for the color change. Oh, what do you have in there?
I have.
I'm rubbing it. Oh, it's becoming pink, guys.
Can I see?
So my heart became pink. And I'm rubbing it. It's matching my shirt, Caleb. Oh, I did it. I did it.
Open it.
I opened it. What's inside? Wait a second. I'm hatching. Ah! It's hatching. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Wait a second. Guys. Oh!
I got some corn.
I have something too.
What is it?
It's a cow.
Wait.
And it's adorable. It has wings. Oh my gosh, it's winking.
No, no, wait.
What are you screaming about? Oh my gosh. Natalie!
I hear it.
Wait, we have to make a list. Wait, I'm gonna put him here and then we're gonna check him out later. Okay. So then we also have, oh my gosh, 1 dozen. 1 dozen eggs. Guys, there's gonna be 12.
Mom, I was careful now.
Keep rubbing it. This includes an exclusive flamingoose. There is a flamingoose and then there's even a golden Hatchimal. Do I have the golden Hatchimal in here? I don't know yet.
Mom.
Oh my gosh, we have to open all of these. Guys, I can't believe how many they sent. Holy moly. Okay, wait a second. This is season 2. They're all season 2. Okay, so we're basically looking for the golden.
I'm gonna break it open.
Okay, what are you doing? Are you getting like a hammer? Don't. No, I'll open it. No, you don't have to throw it. Oh my gosh, we have so much stuff. I need all hands on deck. Okay, guys, let's open all these up. And then we have the 2-pack. We have the 2-pack. Okay, can I just like show you? I'm gonna try to hold everything. I'm not gonna be able to hold everything. Hold on.
Wait, I'll the jungle one.
You want that one? Okay. Let's see if I can hold everything. I don't think so. There's too much. Natalie, you have to help us. We have to open all these Hatchimals.
Oh!
Let me see if I can hold it. Ooh.
All of them? Yes.
Wait.
I got it.
Let's see if
Can
we
you move over?
Oh, I dropped something.
No, there's my share.
No,
I want to help.
I
Can
can't.
open one?
I can't do it.
What?
I'm trying.
Whoa. It's like an actual egg.
It's an egg. I know. It's so cool.
You
Okay.
broke it.
So I'm going to start with this one.
Wait.
Okay, so let's
Look at
open
that.
it up, guys.
Look at the heart. Oh, yeah.
What is up, my dudes?
What did you have? Let's show them.
You have to like rub it or something.
Oh,
I have to break it open like that.
You have to rub it. I did it bad. You have to rub the heart.
Wait, don't rub on the table though, okay? Because it's making the camera move. So you rub it like
You have to rub
this.
the heart until it's pink.
You just keep rubbing.
Ooh, I found an apple, guys.
Show them, show them.
Mommy, mine's pink.
Rub, rub,
Wait,
rub.
Mom, we have 3.
Made it pink.
4.
Rub, rub, rub. I did it.
Yeah, we're not.
Cracked it open.
This is such a nice textured egg. I like it. Are you really opening all of these
Yes.
Have to.
on camera?
Elephant.
We're gonna fast forward it, right?
Elephant.
Let's fast
Why would I fast
forward
forward
in
it? This is so
3,
awesome.
2, 1. We're probably gonna get over it.
Oh my gosh, we have so many.
How do I
Give us a
open it?
carton of eggs.
Actually, don't open this one. I'm going to give this one away.
No.
Yeah, we're going to give one away.
No.
So go to my blog. I'm going to put a comment below
Oh, my
And-
first giveaway.
as a giveaway. Okay, we got it. We're having a hard time with this little poor thing over here. It keeps,
Look it, I found like a mouse.
A
bird.
you found a bird. Okay, cool. So we have one of these Hatchimal dozen to give away.
Oh no.
Oh, these are so easy. Look, I got 2 already.
To rub it.
So we have 1,
Wait, which one do you do?
Until it's pink and then try it.
Oh, yellow.
2.
I tried it with sauce.
Oh my gosh, and there's even like a nest. You can
I
put
call
them
the
in the
nest.
nest. How cute.
I call the nest.
Little
Oh, I
nest.
found a zebra.
Don't rub on the table.
Oh, it's so cute.
How do I take it out?
I'm double rubbing!
Mom, this is my first
Daddy!
Double rubbing!
Mom, this is my first one. Mom, this is my first one. Oh.
Oh, it's soft!
That's because in the thing it's called, there's a glitter one. So.
Why did
Oh
no,
my
you gotta
gosh.
rub.
It's like
No,
chocolate.
I
I think
didn't.
we got a
Oh, I
limited edition. I think we got a limited edition. I'm pretty sure we
Here we go. Ready, guys? Let's
Mommy,
open
this is
this
my
up.
first
Mom.
one.
It is?
Mom, what?
Mom, look.
Limited edition.
Oh,
I
yeah.
get a pig.
Mom, look, it's pink. And then it's
Oh, I got a cute one. Owl.
Yeah.
Mommy, can you open this? This is my first one.
This is your first one? Here.
Yeah. Mommy, look.
Oh!
Oh, I got it! I got Biden Nina.
Me too!
Wait. These are
Twins!
Wait, I'm not. Mine's a good too.
Twinsies.
What is the up?
It's not your first one. You have all these open over here.
Where's not mine?
Oh, I
It's
found
alright.
this guy.
Doubling up again.
Where is the glittery?
Working.
Oh yeah.
What's up?
I think this is a woman. No.
So we're supposed to be looking for like a golden one, by the way.
Ah, that's like it's
I'm pretty sure it's a golden tiger.
Stop! Don't bang the
Oh,
table.
I got it! I got
Look
it.
at
like
it.
that.
To find the golden Hatchimal. It's a tiger too.
How do I open it?
Aww.
What?
It's like a little lamb, but it's.
No, right?
Oh, this one's furry. Who
yeah,
got this
I got
one?
this one. I got that one.
It's
I
awesome.
got this.
Natalie, guess what? There's a glittery one.
We have to find the glittery one.
Yeah, we have a lot of eggs. Yes, we still
Oh my
have a lot.
We have so many. I feel
Yeah,
like we
we're
need.
keeping the bottom but not the top.
Here, let's keep this one for the giveaway too. We have too many.
No.
Yes. Why do we need all of this?
Oh, nice.
This is a lot.
No. Watch one of those have it.
Oh my gosh, guys. This is so many eggs.
You got a golden. Okay.
This is amazing.
No, you have to get glitter. Because
Here, I'll put all the eggs back in here so you guys can open them.
I have to break this.
Oh, what is this? Comment what this one is. I don't know what it is.
I love blind bags.
Kayla does too.
Come on, are we going to get the golden one or
I
what?
found a tiny one.
Did you?
Yes.
Natalie, can you put all the garbage in that cup and then I can
I
clean it?
found this one.
Oh, I did it.
You did it?
Yeah, look.
Good job.
It's so creepy. Can I open it? I don't want it to be creepy.
Come on, golden.
It.
Oh, we have another one
Oh
of these.
my gosh.
Mom,
I called it. Oh, I
Mom.
think we got the golden
Mommy.
one.
Mom,
Mommy.
I opened it without it being pink.
You're so strong.
Mom, I got golden.
Almost.
Yeah,
That's the toucan.
Woolies.
Guys, we're coming down to the wire. Are we going to find the golden one?
No.
This is what I want to know.
Maybe you
Come
should
on,
give them away.
golden.
Don't give it away.
No, I said I'm going to give it away, and I will.
Oh,
It's a
number
nice
egg.
thing to
It's
do.
a fox.
People are going to like it.
I found a seahorse.
Let's put all the things inside here.
Oh, I can't get this one out.
Can I have one egg?
Where are all the pets?
Oh, I found like a sister of one.
Sister.
These are adorable.
What?
I'm totally into these.
Ah,
I found a
fun.
rhino monkey.
What? You found a rhino monkey?
Rhino and a
Now
monkey.
we have to go through our list, by the way. So you get this list,
Do we
and you
have
have
any
to
more?
check off
Yeah.
all the
Mom, do we
It's
have
the
any
last
Hatchimals
one.
as you find
It's the
them.
last one.
Where's the golden one?
I want to-
Mine.
Oh, so they don't show you what he
It's a
I
looks
tiger.
didn't get it.
I really want to know.
I didn't get it.
But we're gonna keep looking. I want
I'm
to
pretty
keep
sure it's a
looking.
tiger.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, this is cool too. So you can keep two of them in here like they're sleeping.
I found it double.
Oh my gosh, I found a cute one.
Guys, Liam has one.
More.
Oh my gosh, we
I
have.
found a twin fox.
Ah!
Ready?
Mom, look.
Mom, this is the
Oh,
last
good job.
Hatchimal.
Wait, there's an egg on the floor. So let's keep these because these are awesome.
Is it egg on the floor?
Yes, I want it. That's mine.
No, it's where?
I called it.
I mean,
No, I call it.
That's a
I
lot.
call it.
Broken.
I call it.
oh, it's broken.
Broken.
All right, guys, we have so many Hatchibles to check out. We're gonna line them up, and I think I'm pretty satisfied with this. We
These are
crushed the
healthy
eggs. We have two things that we're gonna give away, so be sure you go to ladyandtheblog.com to enter if you want your own Hatchimals. No, baby, this is for them.
You want me to just close it?
We have a lot
open
of
it
stuff.
now, and you look at it. I open it.
Till next
Thank you,
time.
money.
Wait.
Either.
We have one more.
Oh, one more. Okay, wait, one more.
Caleb has the last one.
Liam, say please be gone. Please be gone.
Please be gone. Please be gone. Please be gone.
I see a boy.
Is it golden?
We got a rare one. It's
not
soft.
golden.
Is that golden?
No.
All right, we have to keep looking. That's all. All right, party people. Till next time.
We got
Mom.
another double.
Cool.
Right now.
That's how you trade. That's how you trade in the playground, y'all. Bye.
Bye. Peace
No,
out.
but Liam.